Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, we are talking about a useful privacy feature inside the Brave beta browser on mobile devices. If you care about keeping your browsing data clean and want websites to forget you, first, open the Brave beta browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. Inside the Settings page, find Brave Shields and Privacy and tap on it. Next, carefully scroll down inside this section until you find the option called Forget Me When I Close This Site. Then, turn this option on by tapping the toggle switch, so Brave will automatically remove site data when you close a website. This feature is especially helpful if you want more privacy, reduced tracking, and a cleaner browsing experience on shared or personal devices. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.